Now this one, I see a couple of asymptotes that are not vertical or horizontal. They're called oblique asymptotes. And that happens when the degree of the top is larger than the degree of the bottom. You get this thing called a slant asymptote. And for this course, the slant asymptote's equation is going to be this, x plus 1, but not x plus 1. It's just going to be the opposite, x minus 1. So I'm going to look for a slant asymptote of x minus 1. Notice that's negative x plus 1. This looks like it's x minus 1, so it's going to be choice A. This one does not have a slant asymptote. This has a slant asymptote of x plus 1. So it has to be choice A with the slant asymptote of x minus 1. Number 38, a yes/no question. They want to know if g of x is the inverse of f of x or vice versa. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take f of x and find the inverse of it. So x equals 4y minus 8, add 8, so that's x plus 8 equals 4y. Divide everything by 4. That's going to give me the inverse is x over 4 plus 2. And the answer to this question would be undeniably yes, x over 4 plus 2. Number 37 is the compound interest problem. So 37 gives us several bits of information. It tells us that the principal is 8906.54. Sometimes it asks us what the principal is, what we need to invest, but this time it doesn't. It gives us the principal value. 8 years is T, 6% I rewrite as 0.06 as a decimal, compounded semi-annually. That means N equals 2. Continuously is a different type of problem, and we'll do that in a little bit. So for part A, we're going to do the semi-annually part, and I use this method called print without the I. Once I have this laid out, my principal, my rate, my number of compounding semi-annually is 2. If it was monthly, it would be 12. If it was daily, it would be 365. Time in years is 8. We're going to come over here and do 1 plus a fraction bar to an exponent. And what goes on that fraction bar is the n and the r, or the r over the n. So the 0.06 over 2. And then some people immediately write that 2 up here for the exponent. And what's the exponent is 2 times 8. 2 times 8. You can do that in your head and put 16 there, but some people prefer to do the whole thing in the calculator. Mode 1, normal computational mode. 8906.54. Parentheses, you just type it in like it looks. 1 plus the fraction bar, 0.06 is the rate, change to a decimal, over 2. You have to raise it to the power of 16, or you can just do 2 times 8, and it'll tell you what the future value is, 14,292.38. And the question asks what that is. And then wants to know the interest earned is approximately, so what you do is you take this number and subtract the 8906. So that's how much it is, the future value is, and the interest earned is the difference of those two. So 1492.38, 14292.38 minus 8906.54, and it gives us that the interest earned is $5,385.84. Now it wants to know what continuous compounding achieves or earns. This time, instead of being print, we're going to use per. So it's the same principle, 8906.54, but this time, instead of doing the parentheses, all of our parentheses is replaced with the letter E, which is actually 2.718, to the R, which is 0.06, times T, how many years? 8 years. So notice now we're multiplying the rate and the time, whereas over here, we were dividing the rate and the number of compoundings. It's a little bit different. This is just a straight up calculator key in. You cannot do this without the calculator. So the calculator key in is going to be 8906.54. Now you're going to hit Shift LN to get that E box. And you type in the 0.06 times 8, and it'll generate the answer, 14,393, 14,393.63. You can see you earn a little bit more money if it's compounded continuously. And then we do that minus the original, minus the 8906.54. And the interest earned is $5,487.09. And those are the two questions. What's the future value and what's the interest? The simple logarithm problem where it wants to expand. The square root is going to change to a 1/2 out front. So right now I know it's either A or B. The answer will never have a fraction or an exponent, so it can't be A, so it has to be choice B. And here's why. There are 1, 2, 3 items, 2, R, and Z. The square root goes out in front of the whole thing. Nothing is done to the 2, so it stays there. The R has a 5th power, but that R to the 5th, the 5 goes out front. The opposite of a power is multiply. Notice it's Z to the 7th, that Z to the 7th, the 7 goes out front. And the other dead giveaway that that's correct is that if it's on top, it's a plus sign. If it's on the bottom, notice the Z is on the bottom, so the Z function gets a negative sign in front of it. So that would be choice B. Number 39, this is just a calculator key in, log base 2 of 7. I'm going to find the log base button, and there it is, log base 2 of 7. And you have to be careful, they want you to round it to 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 2.8074. You have to put a 4 there, otherwise it will mark you incorrect. Number 40 is another money problem. How much money will there be in an account at the end of 10 years if 8,000 is deposited, compounded quarterly, no withdrawals? This is a print problem. There's the particulars, it's $8,000. 1 plus a fraction bar to an exponent, 0.07 over 4. and the 4 times 10. I'm just going to put that up there as 40. Calculator key in. 8,000, parentheses, 1 plus the fraction bar, 0.07 over 4 to the 40th power. And after 10 years, there should be 16,000, almost double. $16,012.78. You have to round it to the nearest hundredth. This one looks like a really tough problem, but it is not. All we have to do is mode 5-2. Mode 5-2. Notice it gives me the large array. And I just enter in the coefficients. The coefficients for this particular problem are going to be 1, 1, 1, negative 5. 1 equals, 1 equals, 1 equals, it slides over, negative 5. The next coefficients are going to be 2, 1, negative 1, negative 3. Next coefficients are going to be 1, negative 1, 1, and negative 9. And my answers, if they're nice whole numbers, they're probably correct. Negative 4, 2, and negative 3. And you just enter them right in to the spot. 42, one of the hardest problems. So what I need to do is plug this quantity in for the y. Distribute that negative 6. Be careful, I'm distributing negative 6. Now I want to get everything over here on the left side simplified, combine my terms, so that's going to be negative 6x squared plus 25x, add 2, minus 4 equals 0. I did all that arithmetic to be able to mode 5-3 the problem. So I'm going to mode 5-3 that. I'm not even going to give an attempt to factor that monstrosity. So I'm going to mode 5-3 it, type in my coefficients of negative 6, 25, negative 4. One of my answers is 4, and one of my answers is 1/6. So for one of my answers, x equals 4, and another one of my answers, x equals 1/6. So I need to find the y values for these answers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here equation of y equals, because y equals that, and I'm going to plug in the 4. So y equals, I need to know what y equals to plug in there. So x squared minus 4x plus 1. And in there I'm going to plug in the 4. So it's going to give me 16 minus 16, which is 0 plus 1. Well, that was easy enough. Y equals, well, this one's not going to be so easy. I'm going to go right to the calculator and let it deal with this arithmetic, because I have to plug in this fraction 1/6. Mode 1 for normal computational mode. So that's going to give me 1/6 squared minus 4 times 1/6. This is a test, so you want to be as delicate as possible. Plus 1. 1336 is the answer. Pretty tough. And number 43 is the last one. It's system of inequalities, and they want me to graph it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to solve both of these inequalities for y, and see where that gets me. First one's kind of simple. I just subtract x from both sides. That's going to be y is greater than or equal to negative x. Now the bottom one is a little tricky. I'm going to add y and subtract 5. So that's going to give me 2x minus 5 is greater than or equal to y. A little tricky, you can flip-flop those. So there's my first linear equation, and my other linear equation is going to be y is less than or equal to 2x minus 5. And now I'm going to go ahead and try to graph that on the computer. So I'm going to graph y is greater than or equal to negative x. So it's a line, it's a solid line, begins at 0, 0, goes down 1 over 1. And I'm supposed to shade above that, but I'm not going to do that yet. Continue graphing, I have another line, solid line, and that one begins at negative 5. So I'm going to begin at negative 5. And the slope is 2 over 1, so from there I'm going to go up 1, 2 over 1. Be careful, it has to be 1, the unit, not a half unit. And I'm supposed to shade below that, so when I paint, I'm going to shade above this line and below this line, and that should be my drawing. Now I'm running out of time on this here test. I'm down to 1 minute, so I'm going to go back and try to do some quick ones.